put your right foot in front of your left foot with your right heel touching your left toe, feet in a straight line, and your hands down by your sides. And you just stay in that position until I give you all the instructions. Do you understand? Right. And you just stay in that position until I give you all the instructions. Do you understand? All right. When I tell you to, you are going to take a series of 9 heel-to-toe steps, hands down by your sides, looking down at your feet, counting your steps out loud. When you get to 9, you're going to leave your front foot or your lead foot planted, take a series of small steps, safe to turn yourself around, and you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps back. So let's go. You're under arrest for DUI. All right. Who's that? Whose idea is this? Hey! Radio, one running! Motherfucker, I'm gonna tase you! 75 northbound, heading up the Northside Drive ramp. The black male, blue hat, jeans, short sleeve shirt. Starting his own 2 unit, try and cut him off on Northside Drive.
I copy 65 northbound Northside Drive.
That's 23, I'm gone.
1024, he just jumped over the ram. He landed, oh, Jesus, radio, it's like a 60-foot drop. He's down on the ground. I can't even tell you where he's at or where he's gonna come out.
Alright, radio 548 shows it's going to be the location of the 3.
Back here.
There's a storm drain right here, to where my light is, and it looks like it goes underneath the interstate.
There's a building over here.
Somebody is with the vehicle, correct? And the other 3 people. We got basically full traffic.
He's handcuffed.